Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to strike through in Excel. Open an Excel sheet and what you can simply do is just select the cell or select the text you want to strike through, and from keyboard click on Ctrl and 5. As you can see, it's done. But there is another way you can do it. Just simply select the whole text, right click on your mouse and click on Format Cells option. It will take some time, I guess. And yep, go to this text option or to the font option, and here you can see from the effects there is strike through option. Just click on it and you are all done. This is how you can simply strike through in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.